Hey, it's me. I'm Growler. Okay, guys, I didn't even know if I was recording then. Yeah, people are killing me. Guys, just tell me after this video if I was recording it. Here's Palkia. Palkia, my latest one, 52. Yes, it is a dinosaur. I know it does not look like a dinosaur, but it's a dinosaur. I have no idea how it's not as big as this. I do not have a shiny Hooper, by the way. I hope no one summons. I'm not ready for summon. Why are they even battling? Ancient power. Here we go. Move Dialga. Hiya! Kill the Hooper! Kill the Hooper! Oh, why do people keep on killing me? I just want to shoot that over. I know, I accidentally hit it. I am not the creator of this game. I am not the creator. Other people creators. I have no idea who. So I'm not sure. This is a child-friendly channel. Yeah, I'm Dialga right now. Of course you can see that. That face is really weird. Yeah. Dialga and Palkia have the same face. Did you guys actually know that Mewtwo was a clone of Mew went wrong? You might not know that. I have collected everything in her, by the way. Everybody I have. And yeah, I've been in the... By the way, the middle of this town used to be a safe zone. No safe zone, there was a portal. And any of you want a dusk stone? A dusk. I can show you where to find one. Honestly, you don't need the Pokemon I'm gonna go as right now. You do not need a Pokemon. I'm only thinking, where the hell am I going as they go? Because of this. First tab, I'm gonna get that way. Shelgon. This is Shelgon. Let me just check if I can move actually. Yeah, I can move. Yeah, actually, you can spawn as Latios or Latias and you'll spawn on this hill. And what you do is watch this. Let's fight with 4. You don't actually need this move. So do I just like using it. Yeah, I missed. A terrible miss. There we go. Just get to the top of here doing parkour if you don't have Rayquaza or this Pokemon. Did I go past it? I think I honestly went past it. I just went further down with it. Yeah, this is quite annoying. I'm sorry if these graphics are bad as well. This is a 10-year-old's computer, by the way. Hiya! Ooh, Genesect, I already have that. If you're on my server right now, it's in the forest. It's in the forest. It's in the forest, if you don't have Genesect. And if you don't have me friend on this, you can go just add me. Go add me. No. because I want to get more friends up. Because random people, if you're not watching me right now, you just tell me. I will accept any friend requests just to see. And you tell me in chat if you are a follower. If you're not, I am unfriending you. Unfriending. Unfriending, yeah, you hear me, don't you? Unfriending you. Yeah, honestly, I think I'm at the wrong bit right now. Yeah, I'm at the wrong bit. In fact, should I just do the parkour? Or should I just fly up? I just want to... I'm a dragon, by the way. I'm Salamence. I'm Salamence. Guys, just tell me if you're on my server. Just say it in chat right now. Right now, just say it in chat. Me Spirit? Oh, I don't want Me Spirit, actually. Ghastly. Goes Ghastly. Ghastly has an animation. Yes, it does. Me Spirit, Me Spirit, Me Spirit. There's Me Spirit. Me Spirit. Me Spirit, where are you? I'm gonna murder you, Me Spirit. Nice Me Spirit. What does Me Spirit even look like? Was that Marshadow? I know what Marshall's from, honestly. Why is there more focusing on this computer? I already have 10 seconds. That's Me Spirit. Oh, you got Genesect, finally. I give up Me Spirit, I don't even know. At least I have Marshall with it. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with Marshadow right now. Look. Wow. Yeah, guys, next video I'll be running through all of my legendaries, if you want me to. I'll try to name all of them. I'm gonna try to close them all for 1 minute. I have more than 15 though. So, yeah, guys, that is the end of this video. So, I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. If not, don't do anything, or give it a thumbs down if you don't like it. It doesn't matter, I just want my channel to expand. See you in the next one. Good. Honestly, yeah. Sorry guys, I just had to help someone. Okay guys, I have no idea what just happened there. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. So if you enjoyed, give this a like. If you're in the middle with it, give it in the middle if you want to. Don't do it. I know. Just don't do anything. If you didn't like it, click the dislike button. Yeah, and if you really want to see more videos and you like my channel, subscribe. I'll see you all.